This is an LED undercabinet light from Simcar. Comes in a 12-inch, 18-inch, and 24-inch version. Since it's a direct wire fixture, the package contains a 1/2-inch Romex connector, your wire nuts, and mounting screws. On the back of the fixture, there's 2 1/2-inch knockouts for the wiring to come in. You remove these 2 screws on the face, do all your wiring underneath that plate. It has an on-off switch for each fixture, and your mounting screws are on both ends. You can also link them together with an optional linking cord. Both ends have it, and you can also get a 120-volt plug that you could plug those in with. It's a nice fixture, and I'll show you an example of how well it lights up under a cabinet.